Are you an Android developer or have you learned Android programming in the last few months and want to level up your skills? Then this is the right course for you. You will master Jetpack suite of libraries. You will not only learn new features of Android app development, but also you will make sure that you will learn how to write clean code, how to write up-to-date code, using the latest and the greatest technologies, as well as to write maintainable code for your applications, which is a must for anyone to call him or herself a professional app developer. My name is Abbas Masri, and I'm going to be your instructor and your friend in this course. I've taught millions of people how to program, either in my successful master coding application published on Play Store with rating 4.7 stars, or through my successful Udemy courses, or through my channel on YouTube. The course is crafted in a way where you are going to learn the more complex topics in a presentation at first, then applying it to the real world applications. So we will build together the following applications. The first application is the ViewModel App, where we are going to understand the usage of ViewModel, which is designed to store and manage UI-related data in a lifecycle. The second app is the Live Data application. Here we are going to understand the importance of the live data, which allows the components in your app to be able to observe live data objects for changes without creating explicit and rigid dependency paths between them. Then we are going to build a contacts manager application that uses SQLite database. So SQLite is a very lightweight database which comes with Android OS. This is not included in the Jetpack. The included is a Room database persistence library. So we are going to see the importance of using Room, and we are going to transform this application for using the SQLite database to use Room persistence library. The fifth application that we are going to build is the Phone Manager application that mainly depends on data binding. So we will learn about the data binding, which Android offers support to write declarative layouts using this library. So it will minimize the necessary code in your application logic to connect to the user interface element. Then we are going to learn about MVVM architecture pattern in Android. Since developers always prefer a clean and structured code for the projects, and organizing the codes according to the design pattern helps in the maintenance of the software. So we're going to learn about MVVM architecture that fetches the data in two ways. So we are going to build two apps. The first one is the Learning Management application, which fetches the data from the local Room database. And we are going to learn about how to make an app that fetches the data from online database. And since we talked about Retrofit, we are going to build a standalone app that uses Retrofit library, which is a REST client for Android and Java developed by Square. It helps us in performing the network operation easier and faster. So we are going to build an app that uses the Retrofit in a professional way. And step by step, diving deep into the advanced topics, we are going to build an app that fetches the data and the movies using the Paging 3 library, which provides powerful capabilities for loading and displaying paged data from a larger data set. Then we are going to learn about dependency injection, and we are going to build an app that works with Dagger, which is a framework for Android dependency injection, to simply building and providing dependencies across the app. The 12th and the last application that we are going to build is the navigation. So it uses the navigation framework for navigation between destinations within an Android application. By building these applications, This will allow you to really double check the knowledge as well as make sure that you fully understand the complex concepts and can apply them into your own applications in the future. I am not here to teach you only the course, but also I am ready to answer your questions that are related to Android app development and Jetpack. By the way, if you don't like the course for whatever reasons, no problem. You can get your money back in no time since there is a 30-day money back guarantee on Udemy. So, what you are waiting for? Get the course now and jump aboard the Jetpack spacing ship and become a real professional Android app developer.